Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I did these pink, nude, and hollow and bling nails. And this is a acrylic fill-in. So this is my previous nail design. These are my pink flame nails and I will leave a link down below if you're interested in how I did these. But it is time to remove this design because my nails have grown out and I believe I had these on for about 2 weeks. So I'm using these jumbo nippers that I got from GearBest, and I'm using these to remove the stones. They are on pretty good, so it did take a minute for me to get them off. So this is after all of the stones are off, and now I'm going in with my medium grit safety bit from Poochie's Nails, and I'll be using this to remove the gel polish. FYI, I am working with my non-dominant hand, so it does look a little weird while I'm using the e-file, but you know, you gotta make it work. So this is after I've gotten all the gel polish off and I did my prepping and filing for my acrylic application. I do have a video on how I do that I will link down below. So for this look, of course, I'll be using Lawn Care Pretty Nails Pink Nude. So I'm going to prep using Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. And No Lift Nails Primer. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go in with a tiny bead of the Pink Nude acrylic and just apply that to the cuticle area, making sure that it's nice and neat, and then just smoothing that down the nail. So the brush I'm using is my Alpha number 8 Kolinsky brush, one of my favorites, and I will leave the link down below. And I just add a tiny bit to the tip because it got a little thin, so just building that back up ever so slightly. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing for all of the nails. So I wanted to incorporate a video where I'm actually doing a fill-in. I know that I don't do those often, but I really prefer to just soak off my nails and do a full set each time. I just really love how, you know, a full set of nails, it just does something to my soul. But every now and then I will, you know, keep on a set for a couple more weeks and do a fill-in. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic is laid and has set, and I'm going to be doing my shaping and filing. So as always, I like to start off with my hand file first, and I like to use a 100/180 grit nail file. And starting off with the 100 grit side, I just shape the sides and the tip first. Because this is a fill-in, I didn't really have to do too much shaping because the nail was kind of already shaped. I'm just, smoothing over the top of the nail, just making sure everything is nice and even and there aren't any dips or bumps or anything like that. And to finish off, I like to go over the cuticle areas with my medium grit safety bit, and this just seals the acrylic around the cuticle area to prevent lifting, and it just makes everything nice and flush and looks as if the acrylic is growing from my nail. So after shaping the cuticle areas, I just go in with my buffing block, and this is my final step in smoothing out the nail. My nail dust collector was put up and I was being lazy, so I didn't feel like getting it out. So that is why I have a piece of tissue paper to catch all the dust. So this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. Now I'm going in with this holographic nail foil and this star glue from Banggood. So I'm just gonna cut some strips of foil off. And I wanna go for kind of like a gradient, or kind of, just half the tip of the nails with the foil. So that's why I'm only applying the glue to the tip area and not the entire nail. So you just apply the glue and you wait about a minute for it to go clear, and then it is very sticky, and you just kind of press the foil onto it. And yeah, you get this really cool effect. Alright, so now I'm going in with the Poochie Snails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and I'm just going to apply this to all of the nails. And before I cure, I'm going to apply some iridescent crystals. And these crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. So I decided to add some bling to my index fingernail as well. And now I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. After allowing the nails to cool down for about a minute or so, I'm applying my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. Just a nice, simple, and sleek pink nude design with a little bit of design elements with the nail foils. This was my first time trying out the nail foils, and I must say I am in love. It was super, super easy, and it's very effective. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick nail design. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.